Move it. Move it, girl. Okay, we have Chad's tricked out Ruger 1022 here. We're shooting our 12-inch bullet trap at a distance of 300 yards. Okay, I'm gonna get behind the spotting scope and we'll walk Chad in. We're gonna start lobbing him in there. All right, you got your hold? All right, hold on. Yeah, do center hold. Yeah, you're good. Dead center. Okay. 20% left hand from center. Hold. Same elevation. Good shot. Again. 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 Alright, look YouTube, I realize that you can't see this bullet trap because it's so damn far away, but what we're going to do, remember how we did the SKS series and we put the camera up down range and showed you where the rounds were hitting and then we were up here? We're going to do that again as soon as possible, but for now, I know you kind of have to take our word for it, but trust me, we're 300 yards away, so we're going to get some more of this action on tape. Alright, go ahead, give it no hold, or standard hold over and no windage. Good shot. Just a little, give it about 3 inches of elevation. Good shot. Again. Oops. You hit just low of it. Again. Again. Good shot. Wow, that one was dead center of the bullet trap. That was a perfect shot. Good shot. You missed just to the right, the wind caught you. Give it about a 20% left hold of the middle. Good shot. That was a good solid hit. Alright, keep your hold. Same hold, far right hand hold of the target of the trap. Still got a strong wind blowing.
Far right hand side?
Try far left now, wind change. Yeah. Okay.
Now I saw it.
Perfectly in the middle, you just need to come up about 6 inches. It's a good shot though. It's a good call. Good shot.
Gotcha.
Dead center. Again. You hit just a little low, actually about 2 feet low, but center. Good shot. Right in the middle. Good shot. Again. Again. Good shot. Good shot. Good shot. You just clip the base of the bullet traps a little higher. Good. Good shooting. Alright, we're going to set up the Finn M39 and we're going to ding some steel gongs. And I'm going to change the camera angle as you guys asked for. Ask and you shall receive with my YouTube page.